Hey y'all, welcome back to Eat with Thorn. How is the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope everybody is having a marvelous day. I know I am, y'all. Today is the last day of the $5 challenge. And thanks to Genie in a Bottle, because she did it every day. So thank you, Genie in a Bottle, for participating with me. Okay? And whomever else. I just saw Genie. I never saw anybody else do it. Today I have for you a linguine seafood, okay? Or seafood linguine, whichever one, however you want to say it. And this is from Aldi. It was almost $3. Okay, it has linguine pasta in a flavored fish and clam broth sauce with mussels, squid, and shrimp. Yeah, under $3 at Aldi. All right, and then I found garlic bread in there for $1 something, but everything altogether I came in under $5, and I think I'm eating very good today. $5, you can eat very well, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, I brought this home, and yes, I heated it up on the stove, and I doctored it up too. Okay. Yeah, baby. No, I had to put my touch on it. So I'm going to put some 3 cheese on there. And I'm having water because the pocket couldn't afford anything to drink. Okay. So let's get started. Man. What a day, what a day, what a day, foodie fam. You want to know something? That ain't half bad. I'm going to turn this off because y'all know setting up takes a minute. So we gotta have a plate on the grill. But I swear. Ooh. I put some, what I put in here? Put a little garlic powder. Put a little more onion powder now. I put a little, slap your mama some cayenne pepper. And some Old Bay up in her. And butter. Slap that butter on there. Y'all. We eating good. What y'all eating on tonight? Ooh, oh, y'all. I know I'm gonna get cussed out because I did not share. Hold on. Ooh, don't kill me. Here, I even made sure I got you a shrimp. You see that? Here, open your mouth. Come on. All right. And y'all. This is good. Put a little heat up in there. Seafood linguine. Okay. And y'all, we eating good under $5. Well, foodie fam. Y'all, today was a challenging day. Because it's like sometimes we go through little trials. And sometimes we just, man, sometimes we wonder, like, why me? But, I don't know. Krishana, how are you?
I am wonderful. I won't let nothing stress me out. I am black and I'm proud. It is March 1st. It's another month.
Oh man, she had a whole mouthful. She was ready for me, wasn't she?
I'm great.
I made this thing spicy as ever, child. Yes, I did.
I just want to note that you bogus for not making mine too.
Hold up, that's a muscle. Oh wait, I know Foodie Fam on that. What the hell is she talking about? Yeah. Sometimes God takes us and places us. That's for you. In certain situations, and don't never question him. Just know that he's the only one that has your best interest at heart. He's the only one that at the end of the day gonna show up on time. You know, sometimes we so hard-headed that we make ourselves go through certain situations when we didn't have to go through it. But because we so hard-headed and stubborn, we don't listen. We just make things harder than it really is. And sometimes we shouldn't complain, because whatever we put out there, y'all, I know I'm preachy today, but whatever we put out in this universe, whatever, be it good or bad, just remember and always believe in a thing they call karma. Because honey, it's gonna come back. I'm sitting, fam, we gonna get real today. Dinner time. Hello, sit back. I'm a person like this. I will help you and I will give you the clothes off my back. And I do it from the bottom of my heart. I don't do it with no strings attached. I'm not holding you obligated to do anything for me, to help me in any kind of way. But one thing I do hold a person for is, if you tell me you're gonna do something and I'm expecting you to do that something, then I'm holding you obligated to your word, right? I'm holding you accountable for that because you gave me your word. Word is bond. Okay? Now, I sit back and I look at people and I just smile. I just smile. I smile because I be the one that's there, jumping over hoops, doing and making sure. And at the end of the day, the one that's there for you is the one you choose to do wrong. And I sit back and I don't say nothing. I let God do his thing. I don't pray. I wish you all the best. Because let me tell you something. When you know he real, baby, when you know he is real, when you know deep down in your heart, you ain't got to say a word. You heard? You ain't gotta say a word. You just sit back and lay eyes. Cause he's gonna do what he needs to do. He tells you he's a loving God. He's a forgiving God. But one thing we always forget, he tells us he's also a vengeful God. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. So, hey, now I don't know why I ain't get Shoshana. I need a bib.
We're gonna get you a customized bib.
I swear, y'all. Not today.
I love your shirt, by the way.
Thank you. It says, hola, hola, and then it says, adios. But y'all, I'm just saying. I know we all been hurt by somebody. And then the same person, same one done did you, they done did you wrong. I mean, wrong all the way. And they be the same one calling your phone. Could have sworn you did this a year ago. Not only have you done it once, but I allowed you to do it to me a second time. You really think I'm gonna be that stupid to let it happen a third time? Fool me once. Nuh-uh. I gave you a second chance to redeem yourself. I did, because I always do. Knowing the outcome. Knowing, because we know a leopard don't never changes its spot. It can't. Oh, it can hide it, but it can't change. Because sooner or later, they're going to show up. So, that's all I'm saying. Be careful of what you're putting out there. Because when it comes back, it comes back 100 times worse. They say 10, I say 100. So,
I put my 2 cents in.
sure. What you got to say?
So, when you spoke about karma, you gotta also take karma as a good thing. So if you're putting out good, you're gonna get good. But if you're putting out good and bad, you gotta understand you're gonna get blessings, but you're gonna get hit too.
Trust me, the hit gonna outweigh the blessings. Whatever you getting, cause when you getting hit, baby, that's why. Yeah.
And people gotta understand too. It's every reaction. Every action has a reaction. So you might not get it today. You might not get it 10 years from now. But karma, she comes.
And she come when you least expect it. She come when you think everything is nice and dandy. Then she slap you on your behind and you say, ooh, why me? Never say why me.
Look back at what you did.
Okay. None of us is perfect now. None of us is one perfect man that walked this earth. Hello? One. And what's his name? You better know it.
Right.
Oh, I tasted a squid.
Was it good?
It's chewy as ever. But it ain't bad. They really have everything in here. They got the mussel. There go the squid. I don't know if y'all can see it on top. It's there. But y'all, listen. If you feel like going out somewhere fancy to eat, and you ain't got no money but $5 in your pocket, you can head on down to Aldi. Listen to me. If you feel like I did this $5 challenge, y'all, really, because I'm like, you can eat good out there for $5. Come on now. And look at this. It's squid, shrimp, and mussels. $5. Under $5. So, just remember to treat everybody the way you would want to be treated. I'm telling you. This one's good. I cleaned my place. Yeah. This was really good. Now Shashawn said I gotta hook hers up. Because I just did mine. I didn't do hers. Look at her. Okay, food fam. Sorry for taking up